As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
Hey, I'm looking at these two propane grills, the MASTER COOK 3-burner and the Charbroil Classic 2-burner. Thoughts?
Okay, I see them. Right off the bat, the Master Cook is bigger, right? It's got a 472 SQN cooking area compared to Charbroil's 280.
Yeah, definitely. So more space for burgers. But is bigger always better? The Charbroil is cheaper, only $139 compared to the Master Cook at $198.99.
True, and the Charbroil is Amazon's choice, so it must be pretty popular. It also has a side burner, which the Master Cook doesn't explicitly mention, though the Master Cook has foldable shelves for prep space.
Good point about the side burner. I do like keeping sauces warm, but the Master Cook boasts 30,000 BTUs, while the Charbroil has 20,000. Does that mean it heats up faster?
Probably, yeah. And the Master Cook has 3 burners, giving you more control over heat zones. The Charbroil only has 2.
Okay, so Master Cook is winning on cooking power and space. What about build quality? I saw some reviews on the Master Cook mentioning flimsy construction.
Ah, good catch. The Charbroil's reviews mention mixed opinions on build quality too, but it's got a 5-year warranty on the burners, which is pretty good. The Master Cook doesn't specify its warranty.
Warranty is important. The Master Cook is heavier though, 46.6 pounds compared to Charbroil's 37.5. Does that suggest better materials, or just bulk?
Hard to say. The Master Cook highlights its stainless steel control panel, which sounds durable. Both are stainless steel, but yeah, it's hard to gauge without seeing them.
And the Master Cook has videos showing it off. That's helpful. Okay. So bigger cooking area, more BTUs, and foldable shelves on the Master Cook. Cheaper, side burner, and longer burner warranty on the Charbroil.
Exactly. It really depends on what you value more. If you're cooking for a crowd often, the Master Cook might be worth the extra money. But if it's just you and a few friends, the Charbroil could be perfect.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.